Then I'll go back inside. It was the guard. Yeah, here is the sea. That's the view in my back. And the other side is there, the Rosewood Hotel. My hair still on. My hair. See? But it's cold. I need to wear my jacket. Very cold, very cold. I need to wear my jacket. It's cold. Yeah, so cold. I show you the water stairs. The stairs that is the water in the stairs. I'm planning to buy formal shoes that I can have black or dark brown formal shoes today. I didn't even buy for myself a remembrance last Christmas. I show you the water here. This is my favorite thing to do in Galleria Mall. I wanna see the water in the stairs. See? Look. You want to see the water in the stairs. Hello, birdie. See, that's the the stairs. Instead of people pass by in the stairs, it's the water here. See, there. You see that guy? Instead of people walking in the stairs, it's water. This is my favorite things. I wanna see in Galleria Mall, the water in the stairs. You see? Hi guys, good morning, happy weekend everyone. Today is my rest day. That's why I'm coming here in the Galleria Mall. I wanna see the Christmas decor, but I don't know where it is. Later, I just want to go walking for how many minutes beside the seaside, and then after, I'll go back inside and I ask the security guard where are the Christmas decor. It's place here in Galleria Mall. I wanna see. See? It's cold here, that's why.